fresh out of wish-wash fluid, and that is unacceptable. We got a Yoda Avalon that is in need of some wishy-wash fluid. So we have a 5-gallon container right here with a Tera Pump on it. I plan to pre-mix wish-wash fluid in here and then top off gallon containers so we can fill up cars and then flip the container like a champion. Got most of everything that is needed over there, and we got some wish-wash concentrate and pure methanol. So yeah, we're just gonna use 33.8 fluid ounces of methanol since it is approaching summertime. We're not gonna really see much freezing temperatures. Little diagram on the back that tells you how much methanol to mix with water, but mostly we're just gonna wing it. 2 gallons of distilled water and 2 gallons of lactate milk. Now it doesn't have to be lactate, but most cars are actually lactose intolerant, so it does help, okay? Gonna need protection for this. Set this aside. Start with some methanol. Don't drink this. There you go. Just, yeah. Now this is all stuff you can get directly off Amazon. You can go to your local grocery store for the milk. Little dosage thing right here. We'll do 1 ounce of this to get 4 gallons, right? That math's proper. Done with you. You really don't want to spill this, because I'm assuming it will 100% stain. So carefully remove that. We're not gonna stab this one with our finger. Let's use a pocket screwgee. Nice and gentle here. There you go. 1 more of those. So you just squeeze to get the proper dosage. That's checking out. Cappuccino. So we got the methanol and we got the mixture of concentrate. Let's get some distilled water in there. Ideally, you want to use distilled water. If you just use tap water, you can calcify the lines, and then you'll have clogs in your washer fluid nozzles and in the hoses and such. This should work out quite well, and we can use these to fill back up with the wish-wash fluid. A little bonus. Go ahead and use the milk jugs as well. Feel a little bit like a scientist, I'm not gonna lie. Gotta do some battery testing on the Avalonian. I also got some Milwaukee stuff we'll be unboxing. Lots of videos and very little time to record them, so. Oh yeah. A little bit of vitamin D for you, B. We might just use the milk jugs. It's a pretty sturdy container. There we are, bud. Let's just go ahead and top her off with a little iced vanilla berry Red Bull, just for good luck. You don't have to add Red Bull, but it does help. It helps. Come on, Tyler, come on, come on. Hit it. All right. That right there is 4 gallons of premium TE wish-wash fluid. Hold on. Let's give her a little mix. Shaken, not stirred. Oh yeah. That's a nice blue color on her. That's looking good. All right. Hedpak, that's what this container's called, a Hedpak, right? So we have a modified cap. Since the Tera Pump works with gasoline containers as well as the VP Racing containers that are up there. But I want to use the Hedpak. I like the square body of these, and we cut it just right, so it just press fits in there, and it can pop out pretty easily. Might JB weld it, might not, I don't know. We need some batteries, 4 AA's. Got the O station right here, and hopefully I got 4. I do, look at that. Beautiful thing, charges the Arc Pro Arc flashlight laser beam UV, 2 of them, while recharging AAA and AA batteries. We like this thing. Pop some batteries in here, and we'll see how she does. Now, I could just top off vehicles using just this pump, go directly into the wish-wash reservoir. I suppose I'll do that right now. But, you know, I gotta flip the wish-wash bottles, so this does have a sensor in it. It should stop once it's filled up. I don't know if it will, but I guess let's find that out. Little clip on the side, and yeah, push on, and look at that, buds. Peek a gander at the high-tech wish-wash fill-up. We'll see if it stops. Oh ho ho! It did indeed stop. That's fantastic. That means I can fill these up, kind of just set it and forget it. Let's put this back in here. We're stoked about this. This is fantastic. So it should turn off with this as well. Oh, this is it. This is how we're gonna do it, boys. I'm about to empty this whole container. I'll have to do this again. Oh! All right. A little overflow there. Duly noted. What if we put it up here? Let's try to put it up here. Maybe, stand by. We're working on the process, okay? It's not gonna happen overnight. And don't stain the floor. I guess the floor's partially blue anyway, but okay, come on. Don't overfill. Hey! That worked better. That worked much better, okay. We're gonna flip it through here, and then should be able to reconnect that. We're getting there. We will obtain the perfect setup in this garage, I'll tell you what. A little wipe down. All right, 1 solid gallon, 2 solid gallons, and I'm not liking these. Let's just fill up 3, and we'll go from there. We'll have to get some more milk jugs on. Brother, come on. Tera Pump, the Hedpak container, foryabud.com, of course. A little scared to let this go. Ah! Yeah, we're just gonna, okay. That is how you make some premium, hey, wishy-wash fluid. Let that drain back in there. Plug her back in, tuck her away, and just like that, I need more wish-wash fluid, but hey, we got 3 gallons now. Does this save money versus just buying gallon wish-wash fluid containers? Yes, it does. Little bit. A little bit. This goes back. Again, you do not want this on your skin. You will look like a Smurf. Well, that's it, buds. That's my plan with the wish-wash situation. I also have another Tera Pump for coolant. You can also supposedly use this for razzmatazz brake cleaner, but I don't really trust it. I like my manual pump that I'm using, so that's gonna have to work. Can't remember if the cell toast needs some wish-wash fluid. We'll peek a gander. A little bit. Let's use the lactate mix. Don't spill, by the way. I mean, just take some deep breaths if you have to before you start doing this, because you don't want to spill. But at the same time, you want to get max height, so it's kind of contradicting. There we go. Not a spill dropped. And we'll finish this off with a... Whoa! Simba. Ah! We're sorry. We're sorry. We're sorry. Next up, little unboxing of some Milwaukee stuff. And we also got this. So, yeah. We're gonna be swapping out some of the Toolcraft and QRT 3D printed organizers for Toolbox Widget. And we're gonna see how she goes. I'm the perfect person to compare Toolbox Widget to these other 3D printed guys that I love so very much. Until next time. I hate that. I keep saying that. Until next time. Simba.